When markets open, the price you expect is rarely the price you get. In the macroeconomic landscape, this discrepancy drives the entire adjustment process of the ASAD model.
Workers and firms negotiate wages before the actual price level is known. They must rely on an expected price level. If their forecast is wrong, the labor market falls out of balance.
The adjustment dynamic is a continuous loop. Economic agents set their expected prices, observe the reality of the actual market prices, and then correct their future forecasts to match that reality.
This revision mechanism physically shifts the aggregate supply curve. For example, if workers expected 2% inflation, but prices actually rose by 5%, they will demand higher wages next year. This drives up production costs, forcing firms to raise prices, shifting the supply curve until expectations catch up with reality.
The turbulence stops only in the medium run. The adjustment cycle terminates exactly when expected prices equal actual prices. At this precise point, the economy settles at its natural level of output, and the revision mechanism finally rests.